Spaghetti alla Nerano is the Amalfi Coast's creamy fried zucchini pasta, silky, cheesy, and made with a handful of everyday ingredients. You fry thin zucchini until golden, then melt them into a glossy sauce with garlic, fresh basil, and plenty of parmesan. Slice the zucchini paper thin, ideally on a mandolin, so they fry up quick and even. Fry them in olive oil in batches until deep golden. Then drain on paper and season with salt. Blend about a third of the fried zucchini with fresh basil into a smooth green puree. Soften the garlic in oil, then stir in the puree with parmesan and starchy pasta water. Toss the spaghetti through with the rest of the zucchini until it turns creamy and glossy. Twirl it into a bowl, shower with extra parmesan and torn basil, and serve it while it's hot. Serve it right away while it's molten and silky. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.